Here we're going to do a quick one on adding a URL. So if you've got a website that you want to have your trainees take a look at, it may contain videos, it might be a YouTube clip, anything like that. So you go back to your cork.etb online, log in. I'll just log out first. Log in with your account. You'll be shown whichever courses you're set up for. Let's come into this guy and scroll down to where you want to add. Okay, so turn your editing on. Now you get all your other options as the teacher. You're going to add an activity or resource. Scroll down to the end here and we have the option to do URLs, which is exactly what we're doing, adding a website. We add. So some guidance to what, so using WhatsApp for video chat in groups. Okay, and just when you go to the relevant site, just click in. You don't even need to select it, you should select it all. Right click your mouse, copy, go back in and just right click again and paste. Scroll down to the end, don't touch anything else, everything's grand. Save, return to course, and now turn off your editing. Scroll down and click upon it, and it'll bring you straight in to the relevant website. You can do that with any website here. You can do it with the YouTube videos as well. So if you have something on YouTube you want to share, just go to the YouTube site, select the address above and paste it in.